If you saw my first video about buying a home with $0 down using a USDA loan, then this video is for you. So let's talk about how to actually get started. If you missed that first video, here's basically the quick version. USDA loans are government-backed programs that help eligible buyers, especially in rural and suburban areas, purchase a home with no down payment required. And with the 2025 update, even manufactured homes built in 2006 or later may now qualify. The first move is talking to someone who really understands how USDA loans work, and that's where I come in. I'll help you navigate the process, make sure nothing's falling through the cracks, because not all lenders are familiar with USDA loan guidelines, especially with the new 2025 update, like the ability to finance manufactured homes built in 2006 or later. And that's why I personally connect my buyers with a trusted USDA experienced lender. So you're not stuck guessing or getting bad info online. Just reach out to me and I'll point you in the right direction. Once you're pre-qualified, we'll begin the search. Whether you're buying in North Carolina or another eligible area in the US, I can help or connect you with a trusted agent in your area. If you're not sure if a specific home or area qualifies, text or call me. I'll check it for you. And if you want a full breakdown of how it works, my USDA Buyer Guide is actually linked in the pinned comment below. Just drop a question in the comments, DM me. I'm here to help you buy smart in 2025. And if you found this video helpful, tap that like, hit subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss the next video in this series.